How to play Roblox on two different accounts at the same time. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can play Roblox on two different accounts at the same time. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you will need to do to actually play on two devices, on two accounts, is have two places you can log in into those accounts. The first one can be your roblox.com. So you can simply head over to roblox.com and log in into your first account. After that, you can start playing a game here. The other place that you can do is on the Roblox app itself. You can open up your Microsoft Store, and on your Microsoft Store, simply search for Roblox. So let's do that here. And after you find Roblox, you can simply open that up and install Roblox. So as you can see, I have already installed my Roblox. Now log in into Roblox, your game here as well. And after you do that, you can log in into another account here. And after you log in into another account here, you can play one account here and the other account on Roblox here. And that's basically how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.